Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Women's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video today, I will show you a leather jackets ideas. Biker women wear leather jackets ideas. My dear friends, let's talk about in fashion about leather jackets ideas will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you love to follow trendy fashion about leather jackets will change your look with short leather jackets, zipper style leather jackets, full sleeves leather jackets, biker women's leather jackets, and much more about leather outfits. If you like to follow in winter seasons in clubs, parties, functions, night functions, events, daily workouts, and much more about all your festive events and moods. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social media's contact. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of leather videos do you want to see on my channel. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas, new trendy fashion about leather handbags, shoes and jackets ideas. We will be right back with new leather videos and new leather jackets ideas, biker women with leather jackets, designer leather jackets ideas. Thank you once again you watching my leather videos from my channel. Keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. Salam to all of you. Pray with us. Bye bye.